One actor you wish to work with from the current lot.
Ibrahim.
Did
Yeah,
you
I
like his
watched his
acting?
very, very nice. He reminds me so much of his father.
Yeah. An action movie with Varun Dhawan or a love story with Ranbir Kapoor.
Action with Varun.
Bobby Deol.
Good looks and hashtag talents and hashtag fit man. I've always, like you said, I mean, this word crush comes along with the other couple of words that keep coming with my name. Young at heart and in spirit, and even is everything. He's just so inspirational and.
See, today I'm very happy because we are sitting with the forever national crush. जब से इन्होंने debut किया था, she's been the favorite, not among the boys, but also among girls as well.
So good to know.
And now, this woman is going to make a solid comeback after 14 years in the silver screen. सबसे पहले तो मैं दिशा जसोरिया ईशा आपका बहुत बहुत स्वागत करना चाहूँगी फिल्मी ज्ञान पे.
Wow, I really loved the way you welcomed me. It's so nice to know that not just the boys but the girls also, and it's important to try and be some kind of inspiration to the same sex.
Yeah. 14 years you're making just, the silver screen comeback. How is the feeling? Butterflies? Are you nervous? Or you're just very confident?
And they're happy butterflies. I'm waiting to see myself on the silver screen after a long time. And I started my career with all my films on the silver screen. To see yourself there again on the 70 is a thrilling experience. And this time even more because I'm going to get my two daughters, Radhya and Miraya, also to watch me.
Wow. But तुमको मेरी कसम ईशा,
हाँ बोलो.
just integrating.
Yeah.
तुमको मेरी कसम, I just want this particular thing to be your greatest comeback.
Oh, how
And
sweet.
I watched the trailer. Such a strong character you've been portraying. You've portrayed as a lawyer. Talk us through that. Why did you choose this particular script? यही क्यों?
Because I was anyway looking for a script where I would have something challenging to do, something which is strong, something which resonates with me and my thinking today.
Yeah.
I've also evolved and grown as a woman. So keeping all these factors in mind and the fact that it's being directed by none other than Mr. Vikram Bhatt,
Yes.
who I worked with earlier in a film called Ankahi, and I was always hungry to work with him again. And when he narrated the script to me and told me about Meenakshi Sharma being the top defense lawyer of the country,
Yeah.
I said, wow, that's a big challenge to fit into her boots. But it was so convincing because the story is a true story. And also when you have an actor like Mr. Anupam Kher, who's playing Dr. Ajay Muradia's role, I felt every moment when I was on set that I want to fight for this man and for the truth.
Yeah. So that was all.
Yes,
things
I
which
mean,
was
yes,
there in
yes.
your mind and
There
you
were a
selected the
lot
project.
of green tick marks in all the boxes, I would say. So I took up this film, and the cherry on the cake was the silver screen coming back.
But also, Aisha, just this thing which is now being, is there in the industry is theatrical release आया है रहता, मतलब it is there, theatrical release is there, but now OTT is what is, has opened wider roads for actors, for producers, for
Correct.
directors. How do you look at it? Do you mind, if आपको OTT पे ज़्यादा काम मिल रहा है, opportunity ज़्यादा OTT पे मिल रही है, do you mind doing that?
Today there's a variety of mediums for an actor to perform. I've been part of web series with Rudra and Hunter, and I've enjoyed the experience. It's equally the same as an actor. When you're on set, you're not seeing it's OTT or theatrical. You're performing for the script and your part in it. but yes, having done so much work for the silver screen,
Yeah.
uh, it's some sort of a homecoming feeling, you know.
That is the feeling,
It's
that
it's it's it's
homecoming.
it's something that you were used to,
Yeah.
and coming to OTT was very new for me. Not that it felt new when I was on set, but watching it in that medium was new for me.
Yeah.
And it's something that people are enjoying today, and being in this profession today and working today, it's something that I have to be doing also,
Yeah.
you know.
And you mentioned this very beautiful thing now, that this feels like homecoming. um उससे पहले वाला जो एक period था, where you were just figuring out things,
Yeah.
cinema is concerned or OTT is concerned, life, जो difficult time था, how did you battle that thing? Were there thoughts of, there has to be Asia 2.0, yeah, just new version out there in the industry, or you're still the same doing your job?
I am a different person today. I think over the years everyone grows and evolves,
Yeah.
and that's what I'm presenting to you today.
Mhm.
I'm not trying to be anything otherwise. I
Yeah.
don't try and fit into molds or what it's meant to be today, how everyone is dressing or how everyone is behaving or how everyone is landing up in different places. I have always followed my own trail.
You've never felt this FOMO of, social media? Oh, people are just putting their out themselves on
I mean,
social media,
with social
tracking.
media, I'll definitely say I try, but I just try.
You just try, you
I
don't
just
wish
try.
to.
I can't go beyond that. I mean, it's again a big medium today, and it's what I enjoy about it is the connectivity directly with your fans,
Yeah.
your well wishers. They get to interact with you that way. That wasn't there earlier.
Yeah.
But beyond that, I don't get into that ball game of likes and so many views
Views.
and da 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 da. It's a web.
Yeah.
I don't get into that.
You don't wish to get into that zone,
No,
because
luckily not me, and I don't think a lot of actors from my time do that, because we never existed. I mean, we existed without it,
yeah,
and we
true.
existed very well, and we ended up reaching every corner of our country and beyond with our films and our work and whatever medium we had then. So we don't see it as a threat. It's there, be a part of the industry even
Yeah.
today, so we'll do it. That's it.
Yeah, but coming back to this movie, there are a lot of sensitive topics, IVF, where people still feel shy to discuss about sex, about infertility. बहुत सारे मुद्दे यहाँ पे भी उठाए गए हैं. You being the lawyer, I'm sure that शायद वो मुद्दे पे बहुत in depth discussion हुआ होगा, maybe court में या debate हुआ होगा. I am not sure what would be the story.
आपका अलग ही script चल रहा है
पता नहीं क्या
So I'll
script
tell
है,
you,
but I'm just
basically the film is in 2 timelines.
Yeah.
One timeline is with the past,
Yeah.
which has Ishwak and Ada, and they are playing the younger version of Dr. Ajay.
Ji.
And the present time is Anupam Kher ji,
Yeah.
and I'm the lawyer. So all my interaction is with the present day Dr. Ajay. That time he was attaining being, creating his IVF chain, his
Yes.
clinics with the thorough support of his wife
Yeah.
and their love story and that beautiful period. And now it's the lawyer's job to help Dr. Ajay retain what he built then, So let me put it that way.
That way. And also working with Anupam sir, he's completed 40 years in the industry this year.
Wow.
How is that feeling?
It's his
How's that
birthday
feeling?
today. We
Yes.
should wish him a very happy birthday on the 7th of March.
Yes.
And working with him is a wonderful experience. It's a joy ride. He's such a jovial, lively, young at heart and in spirit, and even is everything. He's just so inspirational, and he's an institute in himself.
Yeah.
And working with him, I think there was so much to learn from him, and having him as your co-actor
Yes.
throughout the film was a blessing, I would say.
बट ऑल्सो टॉकिंग अबाउट योर कैरेक्टर, एक लॉयर का कैरेक्टर आपने प्ले किया है. कई कोई कैरेक्टर से आपने इंस्पिरेशन लिया था या यू जस्ट मेड?
No, it was purely with what Meenakshi Sharma would be doing for Dr. Ajay, and me being a woman myself, how I would feel and how I would react and what I would do. So I've just played it that way.
The authentic, your
But
authentic.
as authentic as authentic
As
can
you
be.
can.
Yeah.
Yes. Now we'll move on to the segment. I have 3 segments, 3 games.
Good.
So,
Please play some games.
yeah, we are just bored talking.
No, we are not bored talking. We spoke very nice things about my film that's coming out on
Yes.
21st March in a theater near you. Do watch it. And we also need to play these games.
Yes. So the first game is the hashtag show. Hashtag for Anupam sir.
Hashtag genius.
Hema ma'am.
Hashtag dream girl.
Hrithik Roshan.
Hashtag Greek god.
Abhishek Bachchan.
Hashtag boy next door.
Dharmendra ji.
Hashtag papa.
Aishwarya Rai Bachchan.
Hashtag beauty queen.
John Abraham.
Hashtag Johnny boy.
Bobby Deol.
Hashtag good looks. And hashtag talents and hashtag fit man. I have many hashtags for it.
And Sunny sir.
Hashtag bhaiya.
And lastly, a hashtag for yourself.
Hashtag sabki dil bara.
I like it.
हाँ.
So the next segment is what the comments. So I'll ask you नहीं, मैं जनता के ही सवाल बताने वाली हूँ, आप जवाब दे
ये
दीजिएगा.
किसके कमेंट्स हैं?
ये आपके प्रोफाइल के
हे
नीचे.
भगवान, आपने लिए उधर
हाँ,
से
हाँ,
कमेंट.
हाँ.
चलिए मुझे भी सुना
ठीक
दीजिए.
है. The very first is Isha ma'am, you will always be our national crush.
So
You have to react to it.
Of course, thank you for this honor, and I take up the responsibility with full josh.
But Isha,
कैसे react करना?
नहीं, you can, that was fine.
हाँ.
That was fine.
हाँ.
But you've been, आपके साथ शायद एक टैग जुड़ गया है, that whenever we are seeing you outside, कोई पैप वीडियो आ गया या बहुत आप रेयर अपीयरेंसेस भी देते हैं. ऐसा भी नहीं है कि you're just out there every day, but जब भी आता है, there's this one comment which is constant, like our crush, our forever crush. How do you take that when fans compliment you with so much of love?
I think having a crush on me is such a cute thing, and I don't know what age groups are commenting and how old the men are or the women are, you never know. All are welcome.
Yeah.
Who call me their crush, and I've always been I've always, like you said, I mean, this word crush comes along with the other couple of words that keep coming with my name. And I think it's a very sweet responsibility to maintain myself for y'all and always be your crush.
Wow. The last comment is, जैसे लॉर्ड बॉबी का कमबैक हुआ है, वैसे ही ईशा देओल का कमबैक देखना है अब थिएटर्स.
जी, अब जाके देखिए तुमको मेरी कसम 21 मार्च को, और फिर जरूर कमेंट पे बता दीजिए कि आपको कैसे लगा.
So the next round, which is the last game, rapid fire. One actor you wish to work with from the current lot.
Ibrahim.
He's recently debuted.
I know.
Have you watched?
Yeah, I watched his very, very nice. He reminds me so much of his father.
Yeah. One director you wish to work with?
Sanjay Leela Bhansali.
If you have to go back to a past character, it could be any character. Which is that one character which you wish to play? Not yours. It could be any character from the past.
From
movies.
the past. My mom's role in Satya Pe Satta.
Wow.
Yeah.
If you have this one chance to change your life with somebody, swap basically, who would it be?
No one. I like the life God has blessed me with.
Wow. Are you a mountain person or a beach person?
I was a beach person, but I've become a mountain person.
Pahad.
An
action movie with Varun Dhawan or a love story with Ranbir Kapoor?
Action with Varun.
Ghosting or blocking?
No, I think ghosting.
Hmm.
Yeah,
Okay. And lastly, chai person or a coffee person?
coffee.
कॉफी सेम तो मैं चाहती हूँ कि आप एक प्यारा सा मैसेज दे दें फॉर दिस अपकमिंग
Yeah.
प्रोजेक्ट.
Hi everyone, this is Esha Deol, and I'm really excited to let you all know that our film Tumko Meri Kasam is releasing on 21st March at a cinema hall near you. So please go with your family and watch this film.
थैंक यू सो मच.
Thank you.
दिशा जसोरिया एंड फिल्मी ज्ञान विशेज यू ऑल द बेस्ट. शायद मैं एक और चाहती हूँ कि इसके बाद रुके ही ना. वी आर मीटिंग फॉर द
हाँ.
नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यू एंड द नेक्स्ट इंटरव्यू. बट
Done.
जाने से पहले आई वुड वांट यू टू जस्ट गिव आउट वन लाइफ एडवाइस टू maybe to it could be specifically for women or maybe in general for every youngster out there who's just chasing their dreams.
Well, one message I would like to give to all the young women is when you look at yourself every morning in the mirror, believe in that person you're looking at. Because if you don't believe in you, no one's going to believe you. So have that belief and know that you are unique, you are blessed, you're beautiful, and you are powerful.
Wow. Thank you so much,
Thank
Isha.
you.
Thank you.